Hello, how's it going? It's Halloween drawings, guys. Halloween season is coming up and we gotta learn to draw stuff, so we're gonna go through this, and today we're gonna go through a bat flying in front of a moon. We're gonna use colored pencils and a marker. I'm gonna just need a yellow and an orange colored pencil and a marker. Any kind of marker will do, so let's get started. So we're gonna draw this bat shape. So the first thing I do is I'm gonna draw most of the silhouette. So I'm going to draw like a U shape for the top of the bat. It's going to curl for the wing. Other side of the wing. And there's no, the amount of little knobs you put at the bottom isn't that important. It really isn't. Just throw a couple of varied, and that's obviously like a bat. Fill that in. Then I'm going to put a smaller bat back there. That one can be a different, that one could be almost like more of a, like, you know, you make a bird shape when you're a little kid. Little ears on it. That one could be a little bit more ambiguous. Just make sure it looks kind of like this. Similar shape, like M. You're going to show, that's going to represent one in the distance. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw a circle. This one you have to be careful with. Try to make the best circle you can. In marker, I know in one shot that can be a bit of a task. But just do what you can and try to repair the sides of it with your marker. Just general circles should be fine. I'm gonna throw this little ear over here on this side to fix that. Now, when you're done with that, don't worry, that'll all dry. Take maybe the yellow first and just start, well, actually, you know what, take the orange first, and I'm gonna go along the bottom edge right here of the circle. This is gonna represent the moon. I'm gonna shade just this bottom portion in, and the top portion will be yellow. And I'm going to go into the yellow and color the rest of this yellow. It's weird because yellow barely shows up, I've noticed. So try to grind it in there if you can. Because even when you grind it in there, it's barely going to appear. For whatever reason, I guess the value of yellow is very low. Hopefully the camera's not moving too hard. What's your guys' favorite Halloween costume? What are you guys gonna dress up like? I'm probably gonna dress up like a squirrel again this year. I'm not sure yet. And I'm gonna repair the outer edge over here a little bit. I feel like I want to fix that shape. And if you really want, you can throw if you can, because I know it becomes kind of strange texture afterward. Throw some shapes into the moon with that orange afterward. Just throw any random crater shapes and fill them in. And try to fill them in. Like right now, just looking a little too scratchy. Again, it's because when you go over it with that yellow, it becomes kind of slippery, and the texture of it changes. Anyways, that should be it. Let me see, let me put this. Some of that black is not drying fast enough, but it should dry flat. But that would be the, a bat kind of flying from the moon. I hope that was easy enough to follow. It's really simple. If you need to rewind it, please let me know if you need to rewind it. Like the video if you did like it, and give me a comment in the description. I'm in the description. Give me a comment in the comments below. I'm gonna comment to everything. Share the video for the Halloween season. I'll talk to you guys later in the next video, which is every single day till Halloween.